Now let's start to show to you how to polishing the hardware by our this polishing stone. First, let me explain to you. This is the lava polishing stone, and this is the fine polishing stone, and this one is the liquid polishing stone. So, which stone you can use? Let me explain to you. For this lava polishing stone, if you find your products with many thin burr from the outside, then you can use the lava polish stone for the first type polishing. If your product is very clean already with very few burr on the surface, then you can use the fine polishing stone directly. This is the fine polishing stone, okay? You can use directly. And this is for first type polishing. First type polishing, we will not use this slip fine polishing stone. We will not use, okay? We use this one over this one. This one, let me show you. Okay, this one. So now, this is our first type for polishing. We feel this customer sample is not very clean. So now our technician will put some love polish stock inside here. Okay. There. How much polish stone we should put? Think about this barrel is 3 kilo hardware. So we will put about 5 kilo to 6 kilo inside. So you can remember like that. Hardware, I mean the product is about 30 to 40%, 30-40%. And then the stone can be 60% to be 70%, okay? Whatever which kind of stone. Okay, this is the first step. We put the stone inside. And second step, my technician will put the water inside. This is normal water, city water, okay?